Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We are on the second video review for our Huawei Band 11. And on this video, we are going to focus on the offered menus and features of the Band 11. So if you are interested to know more, especially on the available features or menus on the Huawei Band 11, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the offered menus and features of the Huawei Band 11. So before we proceed on the menus and features, let's have a preview of the specs and features. We have an AMOLED screen display, 1.62. We have 8.99mm body, 1500 nits brightness here, enhanced sleep tracking, sleep breathing awareness. We also have here the emotional well-being assistant, 100 plus workout modes, and it works with Android and iOS. Okay, so for the design, so we have here the design of the Huawei Band 11. For the UI, so we have here the settings and options. We have the screen on. Okay, you can set for 20 minutes or you can set for 5 minutes. We have a flashlight here, find phone, and other options. On the bottom part, we have notifications. On the other side, we have the schedule here on the left side, Bluetooth music control feature. Then we have activity records. Okay, health section, one page for health section. We have the calendar, and this one sports. We also have here the weather info. Then to access the main menu, just press the power button here. Okay, so let's focus on the offered menus and features. We have the workout, so 100 plus workouts loaded to the fitness tracker. Okay, we also have here auto detect, automatic detection of workouts, so it can detect different workouts here: walking, running, elliptical, and rower. Okay, then what else do we have? Always on. We also have here courses and plans: indoor running, indoor walking, jump rope. Then we also have here workout status, activity records, agree, so it can track your calories here, exercises, stand, and other options. We also have here goal settings. Very responsive so far for the screen. We have emotional well-being based on the website of Huawei, at least 12. Okay, emotional well-being or emotions is track. Okay, then we have the heart rate with support for pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. We have sleep monitoring. Also have here blood oxygen monitoring, sleep monitoring. We have breathing exercises, notifications, music control, Bluetooth music control with the volume adjustment, remote shutter, weather report. We also have here a calendar. Nice, I like the color here of the calendar. We have an alarm. You can set your own alarm here. You have the timer, stopwatch. We also have here a flashlight. Okay, with the color options here. Flash, slow, none, slow, and fast. Go back, we have a calculator, compass. I don't know if we do have a compass on the Huawei Band 10. Okay, I can't remember, but this one is very good, a very good addition. You have a find phone and multiple menu options. Hex grid, so this is the hex grid here, and of course the list. For the settings, again, we have the watch face, display task statuses. I don't know about this one, it's not available on the 10, I think. We have a home, so this is the menu options. We have the cards. Also have here display and brightness, always on display support, tap to wake. We also have this, raise to wake, brightness adjustment, and of course our ambient. We have an automatic brightness of screen. So this is 1000 nit brightness or 1500 nits brightness. You have a sleep, automatic, 10 seconds. Okay, vibration here, strong. We also have here a custom. So we have notification options, wake screen for notifications, only show notifications when worn, and system apps. We also have focus, okay, do not disturb mode, and sleep mode. We also have here payment. I think this is Gcash only. Workout settings, heart rate, data broadcast, system updates, and here we have the about section. Okay, system updates, software updates. You can activate it here directly on the wearable. Already up to date. You have Harmony OS 6.0.0.113. Okay, let's try to check. Check. Okay, so you can check it directly here. As long as your band is connected with the support app, and of course your smartphone is also connected on the internet. Okay, so here are the menus and features of our Huawei Band 10. So what do you think of the features? So far the screen is very responsive. For the watch faces, let's see, can we change this? Long press, swipe up to delete the watch face. We also have here a custom. I guess you can edit it in the support app. Vitality track. Okay, I think this one is dynamic. Let's see if we can access our stress, or yes, activity records directly here on the band. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the Huawei Band 11 menus and features. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.